Hello everyone! Welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. We've had a great week this week because we have had our Internet Safety Week. And I know all of you have learned a lot about how to keep safe online. Also, we sent lots of information for our parents each day so that they can learn about how to keep you safe online. Make sure you talk to your parents about it. It's really important. Staying safe while online will keep you safe, not just now, but in the future. So, we do have all of our fantastic awards, and the first ones go for our Going for Gold awards. So, we have in Lee's class, Arion for using his voice to talk about shapes, and Ellis for settling well into nursery this week. In York 1, we have Jonathan for writing J-O-N, the first three letters of his name. And Alexandru for amazing work on combining numbers to make 6, 7, and 8. In York 2, we have Romeo for excellent Fred talk and reading words with special friends. And Sally for super Fred talk and reading words in Read Write Ink. In whole class, we have Donald for trying really hard with his writing, and Daniel for always putting in 100% effort into everything he does. In Nottingham class, we have Olivia for being brave at being back in school, and Vicky for settling so well into the new school. In Liverpool class, we have Anaya for working hard and following instructions in the PE lessons this week, and Mia for showing amazing focus this week in her speed sounds lessons. In Cardiff class, we have Daisy May for working well with her mom to make a paper model digestive system during the Inspire morning, and Casper for working well during the Inspire morning. In Edinburgh class, we have Caleb for his super focus on breathing techniques in his swimming this week, and Amelia W. for always being helpful to adults around school. In Cambridge class, we have Gracie for thinking carefully and sharing her ideas during the Safer Internet Week, and Ruby for her continued hard work around presentation in her books. In London class, we have Alan for working hard with and producing a lovely piece of writing, and Keely for trying hard with her task across the curriculum. In Oxford class, we have Harvey for completing his home reading, and Amelia for excellent contributions during maths lessons. What a fantastic week for these children. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Excellent. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me awards. In Leeds class, we have Hunter L. for working hard on how the number 3 can be split in 3 ways. And Jessica for always being kind and helpful. In York 1, we have Ella G. for explaining why she felt happy in the listening assembly, and Harper P. for understanding that people can have different feelings when they hear about things happening in our world. In York 2, we have Harper G. for persevering with her number work and making 6 and 7 using Numericon plates. We also have Anastasia for eating something new in her lunchtime, Yorkshire puddings and vegetables. In Hall, we have Kobe for believing in himself, and Natan for super recall in maths and Read Write Ink. In Nottingham class, we have Gabe for persevering in trying to write on the lines, and Oliver for much improvement in his handwriting. In Liverpool class, we have Violet for always being ready to learn, and Izzy for being brave and showing a can-do attitude in the face of new challenges. In Cardiff class, we have Bella J. for her excellent effort and attitude during tag rugby, and Ivy for trying hard and having a positive attitude in maths this week. In Edinburgh class, we have Simi for trying really hard in the internet safe lessons and always being ready to share ideas. And Jake K for knowing the difference between knowing someone and knowing of someone during our Safer Internet Week. In Cambridge class, we have Archie for being helpful and sharing his ideas in our internet safety sessions. And Holly for enthusiasm in PE this week. Keep it up. In London class, we have Warren for demonstrating leadership and teamwork skills during PE lessons, and Tex for persevering with his writing task. In Oxford class, we have Tommy for always being willing to offer support to others, and Madison for always being willing to offer support to others as well. Well done to all of you. Give them a big clap. Well done. Fantastic week. We have one more week now before the February half term. And next week is another special week. It's Children's Mental Health Week. And we have lots of different things for the week happening in your classes. One of the very special days is going to be Tuesday. And it's going to be Positive Post-it Day. For those children that have been here a while, you know what Positive Post-it Day is. It's the day that we're going to write fantastic positive messages to ourselves and to others around the school. How exciting is that? Also, our parents are going to be invited to do the same thing. On the morning, there's going to be tables on each one of the playgrounds for parents to go and write positive Post-it notes. So make sure you get your parent over to the table to write some positive notes. And we'll put them all over the school. We want to plaster the school in positive messages. All right, everyone. Have a good weekend. And I can't wait to see everyone next week. Bye.